till now what we have done, we have created an enterprise structure. Okay, it means
Right.
we have defined our all organizations like company code, plant, organization, distribution, general, everything, and assign all them. It means the structure for the company is being created. Okay.
Okay.
So for now, next step is we have to create a customer, because when we do the transaction, for that we need at least an enterprise structure company, then we need a customer, then we need a material, okay? Then we can do the transaction. So now we are going to create a customer.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Okay. So for customer creation, we will go for XD01 is the transaction code. Okay.
Okay.
In SAP, everything is done through transactions. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So we have to create the transaction. But for transaction, for creation of customer, we need to create an account group. I will show you. Okay. Right. We will go XD01 is the transaction code to create a customer.
Okay.
Okay. So here you are saying that account group is needed. Okay. Account group is needed.
Okay.
So we have to create an account group, our own account group. This is created because we must know that from which account group this customer belongs to. Like there are so many customers, hundreds, thousands, lakhs of customers are there. So we must understand that which particular account group this customer is from, which which account group. Because like there are so many types of customer, regular customer, one-time customer, or this particular area customer, this particular city customer. So we have to assign the credit limits account to the customer sometime, account group sometime. So we need first account group. Okay? Then we will go for customer. So for that we will go for transaction code OB02.
OB02. Okay.
One second.
Okay. OB02.
One second. Hold on a second. Yeah. So we are creating here the account group. Sorry. OBD2.
OB02.
Okay. So here we are creating our account group. Go to new entries and we'll create our own account group like VDAG, video call account group.
Okay.
Okay. So here we can go for account group. This type of account group we can create normally. If we want, like if we want to have a very detailed account group, then we can go for this general data and corresponding data. There are so many things. Address are there, communications are there. These are the field. I'm just telling you, it is not required. Okay, I'm just telling you. These are the fields required that if you want these fields to be mandatory in this option, these are the fields. You want to suppress this, you can option this. Okay, you want to suppress the first name or street of the street, suppress, or when required entry is mandatory or optional entry or display. By default is optional entry. Okay? Otherwise, it will, if you do the required entry, it is required. Without that, it will not get saved. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Or if you do display like this, so it will get display only. If you do suppress, it will be get suppressed. You cannot make changes. So this is like that. There are so many options are there. This is not required. Okay.
Okay.
Not required. These are the options I am telling you. Similarly, you want Similarly, you want company code data. You can go for the company code data and you can make the changes like you want anything to be mandatory, you want anything to be suppressed, that you want every time the customer wants that, okay, reconciliation account is mandatory. Without that, it cannot get saved. So you can put here that, okay, reconciliation account is mandatory, required entry.
Okay.
Okay. So
All right.
without that, it is not getting saved. Or it should only display, we cannot make changes. So we can do this. So it is like that. Okay.
Okay. And that was OB02. Okay.
Yeah. OBD, OBD. Right? So over here, we are seeing it. Now our customer group, account group is created.
Okay.
Okay, now if we are going to again to HD01 for customer HD01. Again creating customer. Now it will show our account group. We can find it from here.
Okay.
Where is BD? Okay, BD account group. Okay. Here is the
Okay.
account group. Then we have to enter the company code. Right?
Okay.
Our company code is BDPL. Right?
Okay.
And we have to give our sales area because it is required that this is customer belongs to which sales area and which company code. Okay?
Okay.
Company code, I told you that it is the highest level of organization. It means this customer belongs to this company code. This is mandatory. Then this customer belongs to which sales area. So we have to give our sales area because I told you that in our sales and distribution module, sales area is very important. Sales
Okay.
area consists of sales organization, distribution channel and division. All three. These three.
Okay.
We will give our sales area.
Okay.
Divided. B. Okay, then we'll enter. Then again it will give some error. Okay, we'll give it. A number range is not assigned to account group. Okay?
Okay.
So we have to assign a number range.
Assign a number range.
Yeah,
So
number
what's
range
number?
to custom.
What's the number range?
Number-
What's the number range?
Number range is defined in SAP. Everything mostly is assigned with the number range. This is because we should know that which this account group or which customer or these type of things belongs to which number range. That we have assigned some number range like for example 1 lakh to 2 lakh. This number range defined for this particular account group. So it will be easy for the financial persons, financial consultant to get access easily, so that they want to search out this account group belong to all these transactions are done between 1 lakh to 2 lakh. So it will be easier for them to find out. So that's why we have decided to assign some number ranges to them.
Okay.
Okay. So number range we will go for OBAR, transaction code. Okay, so here we will find our account group. Yes, VDAG. Okay.
Okay.
So for example, we can give it 02. Like this is what we are giving, we need 02. We are account number is 02.
Okay.
We are saving it. Okay.
All right.
And again we have to go back to customer creation XD01.
Okay.
Now what we will do? We have assigned the account group to the number range. So what number range it is? For example, if number range is from 1 lakh to 2 lakh, or 02 is already defined some number range. So in between that number range, it will automatically pick that some number. Okay.
Okay.
So while clicking it, it is taking. Okay.
Okay.
So here we start. Here we get the screen of the customer master data. Okay.
Okay.
So customer master data comprises of 3 things. One, general data. This is the general data. The address, the control data, like these are the address, name, search term, street, postal code, country, those, this thing. So we will define this.
Okay.
We will do the search term. Why we are giving the search term is because there are so many customers. Okay, to find out when we are doing transactions, to find out our customer, so we will give the search term. Okay, we'll give this search term, then our customer, which is into our account group, will come immediately. Okay.
Okay.
To find out easy access of our account of our customer, we are giving this search term. We'll give the address.
Okay.
We will give the country. Okay. Then we will go further. We will have so many data are there.
Okay.
Here we can give according to us the vendor account, the trading partner. This is not required because this is for SAP has having so many provisions that in customer we have, so we can have so many details. We can give the details to the customer. This is a complete master data. So we can give lot of details, whatever details are required for the customer. Okay.
Okay.
If we have the tax number, we can give VAT registration number. We can give. We can have so many types of things. So we can give according to this. This is the sales area data. Then payment transaction. If you want, we can give the payment transaction. That what is the bank key, bank account number, account holder. This is we can detail we can give. Then we can give in the marketing option like the customer class, industry code, and we can give the unloading point. So similarly, we can give all the details of the general data of the customer. Okay. So these are the tabs where we are going to enter the details of the customer. Fine.
Right.
Right. Then comes the company code data. This is company code data. Second
Okay.
tab.
Okay.
In company code data, they define reconciliation account, sort key, head office. So these are the details. There's okay for reconciliation account. We will give 14,000 trade receivable domestic. Like this is why we are giving that the transactions this customer is going. If this customer will do some transaction, some purchase or sale, so the money will come where into GL account, okay? General and ledger account. So it will is a domestic transaction. This is customer is domestic customer. So we can give this transaction the money. The amount will go to the general ledger account of domestic. Okay. So we can mention here this where we can mention the sort key, posting date. So there are so many options we can give whatever is required. Okay. Then we can give the payment transaction of the customer. What is the payment transaction? Like once he gives the orders, he has to give the payment immediately, or he has some limits. Okay, after getting the order, some 14 days credit limit is there. He can give it to after some time. Like payment immediately or within 14 days. So we can have these options. So we can mention it accordingly to what type of customer it is. For example, we are giving payment immediately due net. Okay. So we can give this tolerance group. Tolerance group is basically Dennis, like if you are ordering 100 number of commodity order. Okay. So customer can define tolerance group like if the material is only available up to 90. So customer is giving tolerance 10%. Okay, if the 100 is not available, you can provide 90 material also. So this is tolerance. Okay.
Okay.
You can give your own tolerance. Like there are so many options: credit memo payment, a time until check paid. This is all the options you can have. Give the details. Similarly, like correspondence, you want to give some details. Insurance detail, if you want, you can give it to here. So there are all the provisions are there, which are not all are not required. Okay, very less are required, but SAP is having the provision for that.
Okay.
Right. So this is the company code data. Then we will go for sales area data.
Okay.
Here sales area data, there are sales tab, sales items, shipping, billing documents, partner function. Fine. Here we will give the sales district. Like we are doing sales for this customer into what region? Like southern region, northern region, which region? So we have defined our region.
Okay.
So we will do like we are giving this. Dennis is from northern region. Okay. And sales office, we have already defined our sales office. So automatically it will come our sales office. While clicking it, it will show our sales office. See, this is VDSO, right? What we have created.
Okay.
Now you understand what the enterprise structure we have done the definition and assignment.
Yeah.
So automatically it is coming over here. Okay.
Okay.
And VDSO sales office. And this is sales group we have defined there. So once we click it, we will have our sales office.
Yes. Okay.
VDSO VSG sales group.
Right.
VDSO sales group. So we go. That bit is a customer group. If you want, we can give the customer group also. Like it is the industrial customer, trading customer, development partner, what type of customer it is. Okay. So we can give it any type of customer we can give.
Okay.
And similarly, like what is the pricing group? In pricing, it is the bulk buyer, it is the occasional buyer, it is the new customer. So we can define it simultaneously, whatever type of it is. Like we are taking, this is a Dennis is a bulk buyer. Okay. Then we are having customer pricing procedure. So we can have this standard. We always take this standard. Okay.
Okay.
The price list, customer statistic group, this is whatever what we can enter it. Okay. Then we will go for the shipping tab.
Okay.
Shipping tab, this comes the delivery priority. What is the delivery priority? It is high priority, it is low priority, it is medium priority. Okay.
Okay.
So we can enter it from what is the delivery priority. So we will give any priority. Any priority
Okay.
from here.
Normal,
For example, yeah. For example, we
Okay.
are taking normal. Then comes the what is the shipping conditions. What is the shipping conditions are there. So we can define our shipping conditions. There are so many shipping conditions are mentioned, like as soon as possible, or standard, or collecting some processing. There are so many type of shipping times. So we can define it here. Okay. So we can take as soon as possible. The orders are ready. Just deliver it. Then we come to delivering plant. Delivering, there is a difference between plant and delivering plant. Delivering plant is we are having companies having so many plants, like their Dallas plant is there, or your Texas plant is there, or so many plants are there, or the plant is in Canada, or so many companies having so many plants. So
Okay.
that are the plant, and the delivering plant is that plant which from which the goods are going to be delivered to the customer. Okay. For example, Dennis is a customer and he is ordering any product. So the delivery plant will be the Dallas plant, because it is in your area. You will not
Okay.
deliver from the Canada. So
Okay.
that will be the delivery plant.
So,
Okay.
okay,
here-
all right. Dallas.
Alright, so
Okay.
here we will get our VDPL. Why it is coming only VDPL, only one plant? Because we have created only one plant. If we created so many plants, so it will show in the screen that there are 2-3 plants are there. We have created only one plant, that's why it is only one plant is showing. So we will do, okay, this is the delivery plant. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So, okay. Then we will go for the billing documents.